Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Now I am going to explain plant growth regulator gibberellic acids. Gibberellic acid, it is a growth promoting hormone. Total plant growth regulators 5 are there: auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid, ethylene. Among those 5, first 3 hormones like auxin, gibberellins, cytokinins, they are growth promoting hormones. Completely they are useful for growth. That's why they are also called growth promoting hormone. Gibberellic acid, it is a growth promoting hormone. Till now, more than 100 gibberellins identified by the scientists. All these hormones, that is 100 different varieties of gibberellins identified from various different types of fungi and as well as higher plants. These gibberellic acids or gibberellins, they are identified from the fungi. The well-known fungi Gibberella fusariae, a fungus is there. From this fungus it is isolated, and as well as gibberellins also found higher plants. Total all gymnosperms, angiosperms, that is monocots, dicots, all these higher plants usually consist of gibberellic acids. Gibberellic acids, mainly after discovery, scientists they are given the abbreviated names, abbreviated forms like GA1, GA2 and GA3. Like this, they are given after identifying, they are given GA1, GA2, GA3, like that they have given the abbreviated forms for all gibberellic acids. But among all these, GA3, that is gibberellic acid. About this gibberellic acid, scientists they studied extensively. GA3, first gibberellic acid, extensively studied about GA3. The year studied about GA. There are different hormones are there, no? Here gibberellic acids, GA1, GA2, GA3, like that. Among all those hormones, first identified gibberellic acids, that is GA3. It is first identified and as well as studied very well detailed information about GA3. All gibberellins, they are acidic in nature. The based on the pH, these are acidic in nature. Gibberellins, they are synthesized from acetyl CoA. So what I want to say here, one compound is there, that is formed in the respiration, acetyl CoA. Acetyl CoA, it is formed in the respiration. Acetyl CoA, it is precursor for gibberellic acids. Bioassay test for identification of the role of the function, bioassay test, that is dwarf mutant test. This is very important, bioassay test for gibberellins, dwarf mutant test. On the dwarf plant, if we will spray the gibberellic acid, that will grow tall. Here that is the major role of the gibberellic acids, helps to elongation of the stem. Bioassay test for gibberellic acids, dwarf mutant test. Because of genetically it is dwarf, but whenever you will spray the gibberellic acids, that plant it grow tall. Now I am going to explain about gibberellic acids physiological functions. They play important role in higher plants. Now I am going to explain physiological effects of gibberellic acids, nothing but important functions of gibberellic acids. Physiological effects of gibberellic acids. The main important role of gibberellic acids, it helps to increasing length of grapes stalk. Whenever grapes stalk length increases, automatic we will get more grapes. So that is the primary important function of the gibberellic acid. Increasing the length of the grape stalk, that helps to increasing more grapes on the plant. The second important function, especially in the apple plant, so apple fruit elongation of the fruit, especially in the apple, and it means hormone also play important role to give the proper shape to the apple. It has the different shape, no, that improves the shape, and as well as elongation of the apple fruit. That is one more important function of the gibberellic acids. Another important function, so gibberellic acids delay senescence. Senescence, the meaning is important. Aging of the plant pot. That is the meaning of the senescence. Aging of organ, that is called senescence. And here the senescence process, that is delayed because of gibberellins. Because of this, the fruits, the remains on the plant many days, that is useful to transport easily at one time to market. So the many fruits after ripening, they retain on the plant only. The farmer can collect at a time, can send to market. So that is the one more important the benefit of the gibberellic acids. Another important point about gibberellins, so gibberellic acids increases malting process in brewing industry. That is the one more important function. Malting process in brewing industries increases maltose sugar in the barley seeds. That maltose only used in the alcoholic beverages, especially in the brewing industry. The maltose level, if it increases in the barley seeds, automatic we will get more amount of yield. Next, another important point, in the sugarcane plant, because of spraying on the sugarcane plant, the yield, how much amount we can increase. So sugarcane plant, sugarcane crop, on the sugarcane crop, if we'll spray the gibberellic acids, automatic the stem length increases. If the stem length increases, automatic sugar levels also increases, because the sugar found in the sugarcane juice, if the stem length increases, automatic amount of sugar increases. How much amount, that is important. 20 tons per 1 acre land we will get extra because of spraying gibberellic acids. Another important function of gibberellins, by spraying juvenile conifers, a type of gymnosperms. gymnosperms, all they are divided into three types: Cycadopsida, Coniferopsida, Neotopsida. Three classes are there. Coniferopsida class plants usually called conifers because of spraying and the juvenile young conifers plants within short span of time. The maturity period we can hasten, we can speed. Because of hastens the maturity period, because of that we will get early seeds production. So whenever we spray the gibberellic acids on the conifers, so here the hastens maturity period it occurs within short span of time, that helps to production of seeds. Those seeds highly useful. Those seeds we are using for making various food items and Ayurvedic medicines. That is the one more important function. Gibberellins also play important role in bolting process. Bolting means the rapid internodal elongation just before flowering. That sentence is important. Rapid internodal elongation just before flowering, especially in few plants. Example in the bolting process, beets and cabbage, last and final cauliflower. In these plants, especially the bolting process occurs because of gibberellic acids. These plants are rosette habit will be there. Rosette habit means arrangement of leaves cluster circular manner. That is rosette habit.